putting it on a cat.
Oh! Putting it on a cat?
Aw, gee, Pop. You shouldn't have done that. Romeo's worth $25. Look.
Quiet, Andy. I don't want to be reminded of that moth-eaten feline. $25! Up here, let me see that. Romeo, you and I are going to be very close friends. How would you like to look like this? Now, the first thing we do is give you a nice bang. See, it won't hurt you.
Say, Pop, you can't wash a cat. Cats don't like water.
What do you mean I can't wash a cat? Why, I once washed a Bengal tiger. Rug. Okay, Romeo, in you go. Like this, don't you? Okay, then you have to take a bath.
Cats are pretty smart, aren't they, Pop?
Now you sit right there, Romeo. That's the boy. Whether you take a bath or not.
Bye.